have our limes, our grapefruits, our habaneros, and we soak them in the tequila anywhere from 8 days to 2.5 weeks. My name's Adam Osbourne, and I am Chief Executive at Beverage Co. My business partner, this building belongs to his father-in-law, and he is a big craft beer enthusiast. His father-in-law used to do a car leather repair shop here, and then they changed the licensing, and you know, he just felt, you know, there's so many good craft beers out there that are using different fruits, and I mean, all the flavoring in the world are going into beer these days, and so he wanted to match that with cocktails. And you know, one thing led to another. I tried the drinks, and once I tried it, you know, I jumped in with 2 feet, and so we've been creating delicious cocktails here for about 3 years. We're in Mount Pleasant. You know, we wanted to pay homage to where we were born. We wanted to keep it polite, and so Please Bev Co. arrived. And so when you try our drinks, there is no mistaking that you're tasting real lime, real grapefruit. You're getting the tardiness of the rind in there as well. We don't use concentrates. The only coloring that we get is from the actual fruit and botanicals as well. And that's something that we pride ourselves on. And also we use a 90% blue agave, Blanco tequila that we get directly from Jalisco. We do source obviously from the south, but we also upcycle from juicing companies. So we're able to use their limes and grapefruit rinds as well, so they don't get thrown away. The BCL carries our tequila mix pack, which has our delicious classic margarita, grapefruit Paloma, mango margarita, and strawberry habanero margarita. And the BCL also has our single can strawberry habanero. We have the classic margarita, which I believe is just the best in the business. Again, we only use real limes, we use delicious tequila. We even use kosher salt, so you get a distinct kosher salt note right at the very end. The Paloma. Palomas aren't for everybody, but I'm a Paloma person. We soak the whole grapefruit in the tequila for 2.5 weeks. It breaks down the rind. You get the tardiness flavor of it. The delicious tequila, it is just a restaurant grade Paloma. The mango, I mean, honestly, the mango definitely speaks for itself as well. There's no mistaking the flavor profile of it. The habanero is a very distinct oaky, smoky pepper. We chop them up, we de-seed them, we soak them in our tequila for 9 days. And it's not overly spicy, but you get the perfect flavoring of it. And it is definitely my vice out of the 4. We don't cut any corners with what we're doing, and we feel that it shows in the product. And you know, that's the feedback that we get from, you know, most of our clientele is as they appreciate it, the quality of what we do. At your local BCL, you can try all 4 of our flavors in the tequila mix pack, or if you're looking for one, you can try the strawberry habanero single can.